Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm super excited. I have the Allure Beauty Box for the month of April. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, before I get into my video, as always, I want to introduce anyone new to my channel, as I am still a new YouTuber here on YouTube. I love all things makeup related, hence why I started my channel. Back in the day, I used to, well actually not I used to, I still do, but I buy a lot of makeup because I like trying new stuff. Back in the day, they didn't have makeup subscription boxes. You bought everything full price. But now, you have the luxury of getting makeup subscription boxes. Like, for example, this box is $23, and it's like well over $100 value of stuff that you get in the boxes. This box used to be $15, which I loved, but they put the prices up. I think this is one of the makeup subscription boxes that I actually unsubscribed to, because I just felt like it was just not a lot of makeup in it, and I like makeup in a makeup subscription box. So this may be my last box on this channel, unfortunately. I love Allure, but they put their prices up. I would have kept it if they said at 15. Like Birchbox is still 15. But they said you're gonna get more full-size items, but they're like full-size items, like more skincare, and it's just not, I'm not like loving them. Watch this box, I end up like loving it, and then I regret like unsubscribing to them. But I was subscribed to them for a whole year, so I did give them I feel like in a whole year of subscribing to something, if I'm consistently liking the boxes, I'll renew it for another year. But if it's not consistent with like what I'm liking, then I'm not gonna keep them. So we'll see if I'm gonna regret unsubscribing to Allure Beauty Box or not. I'm a real person. Well, obviously I'm a real person, but like I feel like there's a lot of YouTubers who are fake and they just say that they like stuff when they really don't. Like if I don't really like something, I'm not gonna, you'll know. It shows on my face, and I wanna subscribe to things that I'm passionate about and I really like, because maybe somebody's on my channel because they're considering subscribing to Allure or Ipsy or Birchbox or, you know, FabFitFun, Cosbox. I'm subscribed to all of them, and they want like honest opinions. So I'm always gonna give you guys honest opinions, even if I'm on a pure list or whatever the case may be. So you can always come here for real opinions, real and honest opinions. Alrighty, so without further ado, let's see what I got. So these boxes are all the same. Like they don't have any like tests. That's one of the things that I kind of didn't like about Allure. Like I feel like all the other subscription boxes, for the most part, you have to do like a quiz where they ask you questions. What is your skin? Is it oily? Is it dry? Is it a combination? They ask you like your hair type. They ask you like your skin type, your skin tone, like your preferences for things. So that way, like, they know to give you like a dark foundation, or like if your hair is dry, they know to give you something for dry hair, or if your skin is oily, they give you something mattifying. Like the surveys really do help. Allure, everybody gets the same thing. Like this box that I got, millions of people all across the world got the same, like we all got the same box. And not everybody has the same skin. Not everybody has the skin. So that would be my feedback to Allure Beauty Box, to start doing quizzes and not making them all the same, because not everybody is the same. And yeah, so that's just my opinion, and my opinion only, so don't come for me. Thank you so much. Alrighty, so let's get into the box. So as always, they give you a card. I never really like look at the card too much because it's about like people and their opinion on the product that they like, but everybody's different. So I never really read them too much. And then I got something about 7 steps for Aqua Eye Serum. So I'm guessing I got an Aqua Eye Serum. So looking at a box, and I really don't see too much makeup, but we'll see. But that's the reason why I had to unsubscribe, because like, your girl wants makeup, not skincare. Not, you know, some people like skincare. Sorry, I just threw the box on the floor. Some people like skincare, and that's fine. But like for me, like if I find something that I really like with skincare, like I keep it because my skin is sensitive. So I can't go crazy trying all different type of moisturizers because your girl will break out. So I tend to not go too crazy with my skincare. That's why I'm more passionate about like makeup. Alrighty, so let's see. Alright, so the first thing I got is by Fargo. I got a Fargo eyeliner, so this is a makeup item. So super ecstatic for that. Let's see here. The Fargo eyeliner retails for $18. This box was $23. So right off the bat, it's almost the price of the box. This is a full-size eyeliner, so that's kind of cool because they did say that they were putting the prices up because they were going to be giving more full-size items, and this is full-size, so excited for that. And then I guess they show a picture of a girl that, like I said, they tell, like, it's somebody who uses the item and they tell you why they like it. So let's see, let's say this is a face moisturizer with hyaluronic acid by Nardo. I'm gonna be giving this away because I already explained myself already about the skincare, so we'll leave it at that. Then I got a Aveda Botanical Intensive Strengthening Mask. Is this a hair mask or a face mask? For all hair textures. I really don't do too much hair mask, so I'm probably gonna give this away. I'm always in a rush. I probably should do more hair treatments for my hair, but I never have time to just sit there and have my hair in a mask. Like I'm always like go 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 go. But yeah. So next thing I got is, how much was that? So the Fargo pencil was $18. The full size of that Aveda mask was $44, and they have always like I said, pictures of people who use the items. The next thing I got is this an eyeshadow palette? It says eyeshadow palette, but guys, this is really tiny. Like, look how tiny this eyeshadow palette is. Let's see what this eyeshadow palette is about. It's really tiny though. Oh my god, this is an itty bitty. Talk about itty bitty. But she cute. She cute though. I'm here for her. This is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. Okay, eyeshadow palette, we see you. This is what she looks like. It's earth tones. Now this shade here looks like it's a little light for me, but I can make it work. I'll make it work. So we got 2 makeup items so far, so not too shabby, not too shabby. So this is by the brand Cella Bella. It says it's $45 for the big palette. So the bigger, that's like, I guess like a sample size, but this is what the full size would look like right there. All right, so that's a lot. Then I got the Mighty Patch Duo. I had just recently bought some of these from Ulta. I have to do my Ulta haul, guys. I have all these bags here waiting to get unbagged, but I want to pump out my subscription boxes first because I want them to be all uploaded before the month ends. And I'm always like, oh, I'm gonna upload all the videos and then I'll show my hauls, but then here I am with this. I bought this stuff like weeks and weeks ago. So I gotta figure out when I'm gonna do the video, show you guys my next Ulta haul, so I can actually use my stuff, because the stuff is just sitting in the bags. Just sitting there looking at me. Like, open me, use me, please. One day. But these are kind of cool. These went viral on TikTok. They're just like little patches you put on your blemish, and then like the next day, like your blemish is supposed to be like vamos, gone. I did use these. I wouldn't say the next day they're like vamos, gone. They did like reduce, but it wasn't nothing like too spectacular. It was okay. They did a little something, but it wasn't nothing where it's like the way they make it seem. But they get paid to say it looks good, so that's probably why they're like, oh, it was magical, it was great, oh my goodness, I had it on and 5 seconds later the blemish disappeared. Like, No, it really didn't, but they're not bad. Like I would say, like normally a blemish would take like a couple of days. This speeds up the process, but you're not gonna see like a day and night, like the next day is gonna be gone type of thing. So it says visibly shows it's working protect for faster healing, drug-free and non-drying. So you get 6 for the night and 6 for the day. And they're like little clear, like circle patches. Like they're translucent. You just put them on a blemish and you go about your day. Alrighty, so what's next here? The next thing I got is an Aqua Eye Serum. I hear a lot of good things about Aqua. I get so much stuff, but I always give them away. Ooh, but she cute though. She cute. We keep it her just because. So I guess it's like a little drop. Doesn't really. It does have a scent to it, but I can't put the name on it. But I'm gonna try this out because like the skincare stuff that I will keep is like eye stuff. I'll keep like a cleanser. I'll keep an exfoliator because those things you can switch up. Like you could do a different cleanser every day. I mean, I probably wouldn't recommend it, but if you did, it's not going to be too harsh as like doing different moisturizers. Eye creams you can switch up a little bit too. I don't have a lot of eye serums, so we're gonna try her out. Let's see how much this eye serum costs, the full size. The full size of this eye serum is $85 whopping dollars. Obviously, this ain't the full size, but I'm excited to try it and see how she works. And that's about it. You normally get like 5 items in the box. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I got 6 items. I got 6 items. 6 items. Out of the 6 items, only 2 of them were makeup though. And that is why I got done away with my Allure Beauty Box. But this is just my opinion. Because like I said, everybody's different. Maybe some people like to try, you know, maybe they can't afford to try different skincare items. So it's a win-win for them. Like maybe they want to try, you know, every time they get a box, they want to try different moisturizers and, you know, but for me, I have so many makeup subscription boxes. Like I have one face. I have, you know, so it's like, how much moisturizers can I, and they go to waste. They go to waste. Like I do giveaways. Like I have a giveaway actually. Funny to talk about giveaways. I do have an amazing giveaway that I'm doing right now. If you want to know about that giveaway, you can watch my last video that I just posted. My Jeffree Star spring mystery boxes that I did. I got a lot of stuff in there that I already had already. So I'm going to be giving back to my followers. Like I said, I wouldn't be here without you guys. So I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. This is how I give back to you guys. So if you guys want to get some free stuff, go to that video, watch that video, and you'll see what you can do to win some free Jeffree Star cosmetics. I'm not giving away palettes. Like I got a lot of palettes that I already had like some cool stuff. So check out that video and see how you could win that. And then like when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do a huge giveaway, like a huge. So subscribe because like I said, I'm going to be constantly doing giveaways to give back to you guys. This is how I show my love and my support. For you guys supporting me, you know, that's the least I could do for you guys. So yeah, so that's really about it. I'm done with my video. Stay tuned for my next unboxing. I love and miss you guys, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Before I go, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Alrighty, that's it. See you guys later. Bye.